Ready to unlock a world of seamless financial connections for your business? Let's dive right into how to set up your business with Plaid. First, head over to Plaid.com and create a developer account. You'll need to provide your business information, including your legal name, address, and be sure to choose the Plaid products that align with your business needs, such as auth for verifying accounts or transactions for accessing financial data. Once your account is set up, explore the Plaid dashboard. This is where you'll manage your integration. You'll find your API keys here. Keep them safe and secure. Now, let's integrate Plaid Link into your application. Plaid Link is the user-friendly interface that allows your customers to securely connect their bank accounts. Follow Plaid's documentation to embed Link into your website or app. When a user connects their bank account, Plaid verifies the account information. This verification helps reduce fraud and ensures accurate data. Use Plaid's APIs to retrieve and store the necessary account details. With Plaid integrated, you can streamline your payment processes. You can initiate payments, verify balances, and manage transactions directly through Plaid's APIs. This creates a smoother and more efficient experience for your customers. Congratulations, you've successfully set up your business with Plaid. Enjoy enhanced efficiency, improved customer experience, and the power of secure financial data connectivity. Don't forget to subscribe for more business solutions.